guys, thank you for joining us. This is Late Model Automotive, and today we're going to be talking about 1969 Mustang Fastback, formerly owned by Keith Urban. And I know what you're thinking, why do I have the car that was built for Keith Urban? Well, today we're going to talk about that. Okay, this is the interior. Has Dakota Digital Gauges, factory style, or that is a factory shifter, and a factory style console. That's probably a factory console they made work in here. Vintage air. Really nice interior. We'll look at it more when we get it outside. It's a little bit dark in here. But that is the Supercharged Coyote, Ford Performance, Roush Racing. Car was done really good. Custom grille. This is the transmission cooler. Looks like we have a factory balancer there for the supercharger. Power steering rack. The oil cooler is up here under the driver's side fender. The intercooler pump right there above it. Have bulkhead connectors there, coming from there to the engine. Coilover suspension, Bilstein shocks, Forge Line wheels. Forge Line actually has a story on their website about this car. It does have a Moroso pan for the Coyote 5-liter, and it looks like it's the factory 10-speed pan there. Goes into a billet into a carbon fiber drive shaft. Really nice exhaust done, stainless steel. Goes into a big X pipe. Into side pipes. Borla mufflers. They sound really good on this car for having side pipes. It is pretty loud. The stainless fuel cell. Coilovers in the back, Bilstein shocks, and it does have independent rear suspension. Wilwood brakes. And this is a Ford 9-inch third member. And tucked away up in there. The carbon drive shaft. Fuel filter. It's got a nice heat shield built on it. This does have a subframe connector here. This is nice. It's not a full frame car, but the subframe connector does help a lot on these, being a subframe car. Car was built very nice, nicely done. Got a Heights K member. Probably the same company that has the subframe connectors on it. So overall, the car is really nice. It drives really good. There was a few things that we had to take care of after they purchased it, but other than that, it running and driving car. I'm not sure what company made the independent rear suspension kit, and we'll find out later on that. All right, let's go ahead and get the car down, and we'll go into getting it outside and going for a drive.
waves.